subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn the notifications every time I post a new video. Today, I'm making kids-friendly recipe video. Today, we're gonna make some Funfetti cookies. Now we're gonna preheat our oven to 150 degrees. The ingredients we need is flour, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Okay, so we're gonna have
125 grams
of butter.
of softened butter. It's important to be soft, not hard and not melted also. It should be soft butter.
Yeah. So sprinkles are GG. Sprinkles. I'm crazy now.
And 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional. You can put vanilla extract or any flavoring that you like.
Now we put the butter, the powder, what is it?
Powdered sugar.
Powdered
So we
sugar.
put the powdered sugar and the butter on the flour and just we're gonna mix it all together with our hands. Okay, mix it with your hands now
Okay.
until it forms into a dough.
After mixing it up, this is how our,
Our dough.
dough.
After mixing,
This is how our dough looks like.
this must how our dough look like. It's all well incorporated. Now we're just gonna add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract and about 2 tablespoons of sprinkles.
So now we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of
Sprinkle or dredges on the dough, and we're gonna mix it all up again with our hands.
Jingle jangly, jingle jangly, jingle 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 jangly, jingle jangly. Yeah. Look, we line our
We line our baking pan with parchment paper. Okay, now we're gonna take 1 tablespoon of the dough and we will form it into a ball.
I'm going to put it in my hand.
Yes. You're gonna shape it into a ball. Yes. Is it? Yes. Now you're gonna put it on the baking paper. In the pan, line up with parchment paper.
So, okay, we're gonna do some more of these. It doesn't really look ball, I think, but I think it's like a, I don't know. So, it is kind of like a ball to me, I guess. This is how my ball turned out.
Okay, put it.
Yeah.
Now you know.
There, oh, this looks like a ball to me. Get the ball. That's not enough. Okay, that's not. So now this is how my ball looks like. It's so bad making balls like this. Wet ass. What you did? Oh, Jesus. This is how my ball turned out. So it has to be the best one. Yeah. So let's do more of this. That's too much. Yeah, that's one. Oh. So roll it into a ball. How does it look? Come on, but we'll see. This is how my ball turned out. It counts like a ball to me. I guess. Let's try that normal. Now we are gonna put it into the oven.
And we're gonna bake it for 20 minutes.
Okay. Now our cookies are done! Yay! So now let's try it. Oh, that tastes good.
Yummy! You like it, Aisha? Is it yummy?
Yes. And that.
Sophia. Yummy? You like it?
I don't know. Look like world. What do you do?
Yummy. You like it? Yummy, I share.
So now, if you want to give this a try with your friends also, please subscribe to this video, turn on notification every time I post a new video. And this is Sophia Dreamer, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.